In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download monthly statements on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy monthly statements include your sales, fees, refunds, and net earnings, which are essential for tracking your finances and handling taxes. Now, if you want to download your Etsy monthly statements, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your Shop Manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Account. Then, scroll down until you find the Monthly Statements section. Now, choose the month you want to download. After that, click on Download Statement and your file will be saved as a PDF. Then, open the file to review your sales, fees, refunds, and overall performance for that month. Next, save these statements in a dedicated folder so you can easily access them later for accounting or tax purposes. Keep in mind that downloading your statements regularly helps you stay organized and spot changes in fees or revenue over time. If you prefer working with spreadsheets, you can also export your data as a CSV for deeper analysis. That's it. By downloading your Etsy